Hey or hey again, this is Andy from potatoesandpearls.com, and in this video I am going to give you a full room tour of the bunk bed room at the Wythe Hotel in Brooklyn, New York. When you first walk in, to your right you have your large mirror so you can get a full view of yourself, and to your left you have the bathroom. So as you can see above, there is wood plank for the ceiling. Apparently this hotel used to be a factory a very long time ago, so they did keep the wood aesthetic, and when you are in the hallways and downstairs in the lobby, you can see some of the old pipes. This wood does run throughout the entire room, and it does run out into the hallway as well. You can see the large full-length mirror here, and you can also see there is a coat rack, I guess you would call it, right here at the front door, where you can hang your totes or your coat or any type of bags you want to place there. Once again, on the left hand side when you come into the room is the bathroom. The bathroom has a very minimalistic, if that's a word, feel to it. There's no like take-home bathroom products. They have Goldie products, which are so lovely. I wish I could have taken them home, but you can't. They do have them for sale, but they're about $26 a bottle. Like a bottle of lotion is $26, a bottle of soap is $26. So if you have it like that, treat yourself. If you don't, enjoy it while you're there. Simple sink, towels are under the sink, simple toilet. Shower is nice, except for it has one of those waterfall heads, so just if you're not trying to get your hair wet, bring a shower cap. And they have these nice Turkish towels for you to use. And now we're coming into the bunk bed portion of the room. As you can see, the room phone is hung on the wall next to the beds, and you have your bottom bunk, your top bunk, and your ladder right here. In my opinion, even for a bunk bed, the beds were very comfortable. If you're a fan of a firm mattress, these are perfect, and it didn't feel like you were sleeping on a hard board. And the bedding was very comfortable. It wasn't heavy at all. It was light, but it was still warm. We were in New York in November, so we definitely needed warm bedding, and this was perfect. Each bed has its own TV with its own remote control. You have your own plug and you have your own light, and there's also curtains that you can draw closed for your own privacy. We are going to pass by the thermostat, and around the corner is the minibar. It is pricey, so if you have to buy something, treat yourself. It's available. They have alcohol, they have beverages, they have snacks. There is a refrigerator that has your ice bucket. That's a part of the minibar. The ice bucket is refilled daily. If you do have like a beverage that you need to keep cold, there is a little bit of room in the refrigerator for that, but for the most part, it's a part of the minibar. There is your closet to the side here that does have your safe in the bottom, and it does have a light switch. And as you can see, there is a very, very large floor to ceiling window. There is a shade that can be pulled down to block you, so you're not exposed to all of Brooklyn at all times. The only downside is I think this hotel relies a lot on natural light, so when it does get dark outside, your lights are really the light over your bed, the light in the hallway, the bathroom light, and the minibar light. After that, it's pretty dark in the room, so if you think about staying here, just remember it does get pretty dark in the room at night. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I do post here weekly on food, travel, and home, and so don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.